Midosuji, the broad street running north-south through the heart of Minami, is the place for you. With its luxury brand outlets, it's Osaka's answer to the Champs-Élysées. Midosuji is a broad, central avenue running north-south through the heart of Osaka's Minami district. Lined with major international luxury brand outlets, this street is Osaka's answer to the Champs-Élysées. Outlets here include Dior, Chanel, Armani, and Louis Vuitton, and you'll also find the vast Daimaru department store here. The boulevard is around 4 kilometers long and runs through the Umeda, Shinsaibashi, Aimura, and Namba districts. The area running parallel from Shinsaibashi to Hori is particularly popular with shoppers, and the Apple flagship store around this area is always packed with visitors. Needless to say, shopping, or just window shopping, is a lot of fun, not to mention the great people watching. While you can shop anytime, one of the nicest times to visit Midosuji is during autumn. The avenue is lined with ginkgo trees, and it's a truly marvelous sight at this time of the year when the leaves turn golden yellow.